impress your friends. He'll save the day.
Thanks, dude.
Bro, hardwired for fun from really bad robots.
Dad, it's Halloween.
Yeah, I know. So, put your costume on.
I'm sorry, who was that?
Look at me, Dad. I'm a big scary dinosaur.
I know. Now let's see what Rosie is.
I love my brothers.
Look at me, Daddy. I'm a princess.
That's nice. Rosie, now ready to trick or treat?
Yes.
Okay, so, let's go.
Dad, put your mask on.
No, Caillou, I don't want to scare Rosie.
Oh, come on, Dad. Rosie is just being a baby.
Listen, Caillou, I am not going to scare Rosie.
Fine. What, Rosie? Scared?
Why?
Roar!
Why? Please stop. Caillou. Rosie is scared.
Roar!
Ah.
Rosie, come back. Caillou, how dare you scare Rosie? Now she is gone and I don't know where she is. You better find her, or else you will be grounded for the rest of the year.
But, Dad, what about Candy?
I am not worried about Candy right now. And plus, you do not even deserve candy. Now let's go! Rosie, where are you?
Phew. Rosie is now safe from the scary dinosaur.
Rosie, what are you doing?
Hiding from Caillou.
Don't worry, he is going home, and you and I are staying for candy. Caillou, we are going home. Now.
No, 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 no. I don't want to.
Too bad. Now let's go! Take off your costume. Caillou, how dare you misbehave during trick-or-treating? That's it. You're grounded for the rest of the year. Go to your room now.
Hey.
Okay, Rosie. Now we can go.
Yay.
I'm a man now. A manly man. Not afraid of nothing either.
Thanks for watching, and happy late Halloween.
Congratulations, Quackers! What's Caillou?